Good morning. It's Royal Ruby. We're waking up at our campsite this morning. It's day 3. It's day 3. And we've had a great time this week. My son came yesterday and we had so much fun. We hiked and ate and laughed and just enjoyed the day. And he left. He had to go to work today. But he said he really enjoyed himself. As you can see, we have a lot of air conditioning fan type units going in the van. So this video is just going to be like a video to kind of show you what Royal Ruby uses in the summer. And we're talking 90 some degrees yesterday, and last night it was like 78 outside. So what I like is the Evapolar air conditioner, and it is a water, you fill it with water. Like right now, it just feels like a car's air conditioner blowing on me. And it cools about 35 square feet of space. So it's just right for the van. That's my choice for here. And then over here, there's the Blizzard fan, which is AC powered. I had that up front last night for Teddy because he slept on the seat up there because the screens were in the windows and there was air coming in. And he was quite comfortable there. So yeah, that fan is a nice one, but it does draw about 48 watts. So if you don't have a lot of good power, I would recommend not using it. But it works great for my van because I have a 1000-watt Jackery, so I'm good with it. Okay, so then as we go around over here, we have the Polar fan, which is my USB powered fan, and it works great. It has 3 speeds, and it stays charged for a really long time. I have it plugged in all the time though, pretty much, when I'm camping, so it doesn't go off in the middle of the night. So those are my 3 sources. And then of course, you know, your screens, I kept that in until about 11:30, and then for security I shut the door, of course, but I did leave the screens in the front windows and left them cracked a little bit, not all the way down, but I had them open so that Teddy could get air and the air could circulate through the van. And then of course I have these back vent windows, which I open at night. They don't have screens in them, but I don't really get bugs from those, so they work pretty good. But it was a little hot. I mean, it got a little hot, even though I kept it pretty well controlled. I was surprised, you know, based on the amount of heat we had going on. I do think if I do decide to keep this minivan for a couple more years, I may do a max fan in the ceiling of the van, because I do think it would help with air conditioning and stuff in the summer, you know, because I don't obviously have an AC unit. I don't want to turn my car on and let it run, you know, all night. So I think a max air fan would probably be the solution, and that would be my next option for this vehicle if I do decide to keep it. My goal, though, you guys, is to keep Ruby, Royal Ruby, this particular van, through, I think, the next 3 years or 2.5 years. And then my goal is to get ProMaster 3500 159 wheelbase high roof cargo van, and have a professional custom van company convert it. I have my plan already, my layout that I want to do, and it's supposed to cost, like right now in today's wages or prices, $42,000, I think, for the one I want new. And then if I could find a used one, I would buy it, that I like, that has low mileage. But if I don't, I'll buy a new one and then convert it. The prices I got for that were onwards and upwards, up to about $60,000 was the highest price that I got. So yeah, you're looking at $100,000 for that particular vehicle to be converted. But it is an investment that I think I would yield my return on. Plus, I think I would enjoy camping in it a lot, because I'd have the AC, I'd have the 2 max air fans. Even if I don't have AC, I'd have the 2 max air fans and hot water, and I would make sure that I had at least 40 gallons of water on board. You got to have at least 40 gallons because water is the most important thing. And also a good toilet. I would probably use the Lavio dry flush toilet, which I currently have one anyway, so I would just use that. And definitely want a shower, a wet bath type situation. So I do want one of those for those reasons, because as I get older, I like having a toilet close by, and also I want something that I can easily get on and off of. My toilet now is very low, and it is difficult to get on and off of that toilet. You know, I mean, my knees can take it right now, but what's going to happen in, 5 years from now? There he is. There's Ted. Good morning, Ted. Good morning. You're walking around looking for action. No action to be found around here, Ted. This is a place of chill. That's why I love it here so much. I mean, there's no hurry. There's no, you just take your time and enjoy your life and rest and look at the water, and you don't have to feel rushed to do anything. So it's a pretty chill kind of a lifestyle. I don't think I could be a nomad though, because I enjoy my sticks and bricks. I really do. I like having a place to call my home base, and I believe that would be something I would sorely miss if I did not have it. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that I'll never be a full-time nomad, but I do believe that camping and adventures and things like this is in my blood, and I'm going to be doing it until I die, and hopefully going all over the country, maybe even to Europe. I could rent a van over there and travel in Europe and enjoy myself there. I would love that. I don't know how expensive it is, but that would be so cool, because if I could take my van that I convert over there, I don't know how easy it is to take one over to the other countries. But that would be another thing I would enjoy, to be able to travel the European countries and just have your own vehicle that you could sleep in and park, and it would just be so much better. There's Ted. Say good morning to all the YouTube friends, all the Royal Ruby buddies. Good morning, Teddy. Good morning, Teddy bear. Hi, Teddy bear. Go on, shake a tail feather. Shake a tail feather, Ted. Come on. Come on, shake a tail feather. Say good morning. Good morning, everybody. I'm a Ted. Oh, he's so cute. We met a puppy yesterday. His name was Oliver. He looked just like Ted. As you could see the water over there through the screen. Look at all those flies trying to get in. Yeah, it's time to spray the campsite. What I do is I use off yard guard. I spray the whole campsite in the morning, and usually that keeps it pretty nice throughout the day, and then I'll do it again in the afternoon, and then I'll do it again in the evening. So 3 times a day pretty much. That usually keeps the bugs at bay. But yeah, guys, so today is day 3. We're gonna be packing up and going home. Yeah, I'll see you guys when we get back to the beach. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Hey everybody, it's Royal Ruby, and I just got finished getting my teeth brushed and my makeup on. It's day 3 at the campsite. So here in the back is where I brush my teeth. I have a sink back here, and I have a water pump, so I just open the tailgate, and I'm able to brush my teeth and wash my face, and then I usually put my makeup on inside. Now yesterday I got ready up at the bathroom, brushed my teeth and stuff after my shower. This morning I'm not taking a shower because I'm going home today, So I figured I'd take a shower when I got home. Yeah, and then I put my makeup on in the van, just like normal. I have a nice little makeup mirror that collapses that I take with me. It's really small. And I just sit in here on the bed, and then I put my makeup on. It's just like being at home. You know, it's just very comfortable here. It was a little hot last night, like I said earlier in my video that I did this morning. We had all our fans, all of our air conditioners going at full speed. I have my Evapolar fan. You can hear it in the background. That's what the noise is. That's the Evapolar fan. The old Polar, for whatever reason, is dead. I don't know why. It's been plugged into the Jackery. But I'm going to turn it off for a while, I guess, and give the fan a break. I'm going to give the fan a break. Looks like my Jackery is down to about 70%. The main thing when you're camping in a van like this is your power and your water. You want to make sure you have plenty of power to power all your stuff. I didn't bring my solar panels this time because I have electric at the campsite and I have water at the campsite. The water here is brown, so I highly don't recommend using the water here. Now what I do is I could fill my tanks with this water and use my Berkey water filter. But I've already filled my tanks before I left the house with 13.5 gallons of water on board here. And I don't know how much I have in there now, but I still think I have plenty of water. I probably could go for about a week with as much water as I use until I needed another refill. So I'm not filling my tanks. I'm just using this water to clean things off and rinse things off and stuff like that because it's totally brown and it's nasty. So unless you have a filter like I do, I recommend that you bring your water. Bring some bottled water for the fridge. That was the mistake I made. I forgot my bottled water. And I like to have a couple of those little bottles, you know, in my refrigerator. Throughout the day I drink them, and especially when it's really, really hot. You should have plenty of water for your pet and for yourself. So yeah, it's been a couple of hot days of camping, but it's been wonderful. It's been refreshing. I'm so glad I did it. And we're going to get right back out probably in about 2 more weeks. Well, no, I have the wedding coming up. Darn, I can't go anywhere until after the wedding. But praise the Lord, we have a wedding. My son's getting married June 25th, so I'll probably have to stay home because I have a rehearsal dinner at my house on the 24th, and I have a lot of planning to do for that. So I doubt that I'll get out again after the wedding anyway, until after the wedding. I would like to, because I love it, but I may have to wait. So this could be our last trip for at least 3 weeks, and then we'll go again in July for sure. Not over the 4th. I don't travel over holidays. Like Memorial Day, I've traveled the day of Memorial Day. Most of the traffic was already leaving the beach, so it wasn't so bad. But yeah, guys, it's been a wonderful time here at the state park, and I'm packing up today. So, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the trip. And like I said, Ruby will be doing some more stuff, some more travels this summer. But my son's wedding is a priority, so that has got to be number 1 right now, what I'm planning and what I'm doing. So if I don't load as many videos, please understand that I'm busy, okay? And I'll talk to you guys later. I'll see you down the road. Bye-bye.